Have you ever said yes to something and immediately regretted it? Maybe a colleague asks for a last-minute favor, or your manager piles on another task when your plate is already full? Learning to say no isn't about being rude, it's about protecting your time, energy, and focus. Saying yes too often can lead to burnout, stress, and decreased productivity. The truth is, every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're saying no to something that matters, whether it's a key project, self-care, or time with loved ones. There are many ways to say no while remaining professional and respectful. Try these strategies. The direct no. I appreciate the offer, but I can't commit to this right now. The delayed no. Let me check my schedule and get back to you. The alternative no. I can't take this on, but I can suggest someone who might help. The prioritized no. I'd love to, but I'm currently focused on X. Maybe we can revisit this later. Let's look at an example.
I need you to handle this additional report by tomorrow.
I'd love to help, but I'm currently working on our client presentation. Would you like me to shift priorities, or is there another way to get it done?
See how the employee set boundaries while remaining professional? Saying no doesn't mean rejecting people. It means prioritizing effectively. The next time you're about to say yes out of obligation, pause and ask yourself, is this aligned with my priorities? Practice saying no in a way that is firm, respectful, and clear. Your time is valuable. Protect it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.